Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see what is the Antutu score of the Samsung Galaxy A17. To do that, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then open this website. From here, just tap on download and select download anyway. Then tap on open. Select install and select open. Select agree. From here, just tap on install and test. Then tap on get from market. Now just go back and tap on install and test one more time. And from here just select download. Now just select settings. Then enable this toggle. After that just select install. Then tap on open. Select agree. Now to start the Antutu benchmark test, just tap on start test. As you can see, the Antutu benchmark test has been completed, and the Antutu score of the Samsung Galaxy A17 is 5,28,342. And this is how you can check the Antutu score of the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.